of raising this program for today. Bear with me, I won the bidding for hosting this program. So we're still waiting for other folks to join us because we're gonna do some program for Nanay. In the meantime, just sit down, relax, make yourselves comfortable. 5-10 minutes, we'll start the program. Alright? Sounds good? Enjoy the music, everyone. Thank you. Starting the program. Thank you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, thank you for coming over together to celebrate an extraordinary woman who is my mother-in-law. She is celebrating her 85th birthday. On behalf of our family, we thank you for gracing this day, this special occasion. Because as they say, you only turned 85 once, so make it count, right? So I'd like to invite everyone to please rise as we welcome our birthday celebrant, accompanied by her Pogi Guapito Apos, Zeph and Miguel. Please give them warm round of applause, Nanay Celine Tefera.
Sister.
This is very wrong. This is very natural. We didn't do practice here. So what you see is what you get. On this beautiful day, let us unite in spirit as we invite Father to lead us in prayer, lifting our hearts in gratitude. This is a beautiful milestone. Yeah, please take your seat, make yourself comfortable. Yan, Nanay, sit down. Nanay, but for those who don't know me, my name is Veronica. I'm Nanay's daughter-in-law. I don't want to say favorite. Sorry, Glenda. No, just joking. And the other two. But right now, I'm Nanay's favorite daughter-in-law. Right, Nanay? Oh, good. Just joking. I had the pleasure of getting to know Nanay some few years back. Because for those who don't know, Nanay helped us take care of Miguel when he was 1 or 2. So during that time, I work from home and I still work from home. So we get the chance to chat, we get the chance to make kwentuhan, and me being madaldal, so I get the chance to ask some questions. Or like, she is sharing what happened in the past, her experience, her wisdom. So today, it's my honor to share some storytelling about Nanay. With Nanay's permission, there's no plagiarism here. I did a grammar check, Nanay. I just want to make sure, and the facts, this is based on reality, based on facts. So here it goes. Nanay, or Celedonia Macasling de Vera, affectionately known as Nanay, Bae, or Nainay, was born on March 4, 1940. So she is from Bayambang, Pangasinan. So for those who are from Pangasinan, round of applause. I know all of you here. From DC. We have from DC? Road City. Meron? Taguban. So Nanay is the eldest daughter of Vicente Macasli and Cecilia Neri. So being the eldest daughter, she took the responsibility of caring for her 6 siblings. Right, Nanay? And at the age of 15, she moved to Grace Park, Caloocan to work as a dressmaker. After 2 years, she transitioned to a factory where she met Mr. Alfredo de Vera, a 25-year-old handsome bachelor. I have to make sure, handsome bachelor from Malasiki, Pangasinan. Young Celine did not pay much attention to young Fred. Right, Nanay? However, I know to her that Fred was quite determined to win her over. Nanay has shared that Tatay loved to do mano. Do you know what's mano? It's a gesture which symbolizes respect to elders. So Tatay went his way. He went to Pangasinan, to Bayambang, Pangasinan, to mano, to Nanay's parent. So because of that, Nanay Siling's parent and Tatay Fred earned the blessing and support for him to marry Nanay. So both of their parents agreed and arranged a marriage for Celine and Fred. She was 17 and Tatay was 27. They were blessed with 8 loving children: Perla, Betty, Jeanette, Venus, John, Melchor, Joseph, and Oliver. Moreover, Nanay is richly blessed with 21 grandchildren, 15 great-grandchildren, a testament to the love and legacy she nurtured through the generations. In early 1990, Nanay Celine moved to the United States to start a new chapter in her life. A beacon of kindness, selflessness, and tireless spirit, she nurtured her family and inspired us all with unwavering dedication and resilience, putting the others on top of herself. Today, we cherish not just her years, but the countless memories, lessons, and endless love she has shared with us. Nanay, we love you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you, everyone. And so now we're going to move to the next portion of our program, in which we have our gentlemen who are part of Nanay's life. This gentleman will grace Nanay with special dance. And we're going to have our flowers. but they can also convey a variety of messages, including love, purity, modesty, hope, beauty, or forgiveness. Today, we invite the special gentlemen in Nanay's life who are present for this occasion. We would like to call on Mr. Joji Aquino, Nanay's nephew, Mr. Justin Aquino, Nanay's grandson, Mr. Rodel Abrigo, Nanay's grandson, Oliver De Vera, the youngest son, Miguel De Vera, Nanay's grandson, Joseph De Vera, the seventh son, Zeph De Vera, Nanay's grandson, and John De Vera, Nanay's fifth and eldest son. hoping when I'm 85th, I can have that dance too, but we'll find out. Now we have special messages from our friends or family members. We would like to call on Miss Melanie Aquino to say some special message to our beautiful birthday celebrant.
Hi everybody. I just wanted to say, Nanay, thank you so much for taking care of all of us. One of the many things that I love about Nanay is she always puts everybody first before herself, and that's one of the traits that I have carried with me. And one of the other things that I love about her is she makes the best Iniguan. I gotta enhance it. It literally like nothing compares to that. But I wanted to say, Nanay, happy birthday. Thank you so much for all you do, and we all love you so much.
Thank you, Melanie. Now we have Rodel Abrego to give Nanay a message to you.
Paano sila mong kamag-anak mo?
Sila ginawa.
Hindi, malakot.
Hello everyone, my name is Rodel, Nanay's grandson-in-law. I first met Nanay back in 2016. That's when I first started dating. At first, I was strongly convinced that Nanay didn't like me. No matter how much I tried to talk to her, no matter how many questions I asked her, she would never respond to me. She would ignore me. And, all these nights, I wondered, what did I do wrong? What can I do better to open up to Nanay? And it just turns out that she can't get it. But if you don't know me, I'm originally from Washington State. One thing I appreciate about Nanay is she reminds me of my Nanay. She's a great cook. She's a great tailor. She also makes clothes. She just doesn't tuck me in bed when you go to. Yeah, Nanay, we appreciate you. Happy birthday. I love you. Thank you for all you do.
I just wanted to say thank you.
I said no,
to
so I-
especially when my dad passed
said no.
away, and he helped take care of me with my mom, especially with that day as well. I just wanted to say that I love you so much and thank you for everything. Happy birthday.
One more thing. The Samuel Synagogue, it's amazing.
Thank you, Vanessa and Rodel. We have another message. She is Nanay's niece from Seattle, Washington. Right. Okay. I'm gonna pass on the microphone to you. Special delivery.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We're so grateful to God having you as Nanay of all of us. Nanay is my father's sister. Thank you is more than enough to say, but thank you for all the love that you gave to us. We love you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate Joy. We have a special message too from our family friend, Miss Barbs Abalos, our bestie.
Hi everyone, my name
they call each other besties. So we spent a lot of time together, and in the process, we've had the honor of meeting Nanay and spending time with her. It's been such an honor, such a pleasure, Nanay. Every time we go to the house and she's there, she's so loving with the girls. She really treats them like they're her own. She just has so much love. She's opened up to me as well. We've spoken about her life and her experiences, and Nana, we appreciate you so much. You bring so much love to your home and your family. We really hope that you feel so proud of the family that you've raised. Just meeting Oliver and the amazing man that he is, amazing husband to Veronica, amazing dad to the babies. We hope that you feel so proud now that you are 85 looking back. And we love you so much. Happy birthday, Nana.
Thank you, Barbs, the Avalos family. It's gonna be impromptu. I'm gonna go to one of my favorite ninangs. Nina Jovi, look at me. That's you. Special message for our
Okay, Nana, I'll do it anyway with So, Nanay, I've known Nanay since I've known Ian. We were in the same house together a long time ago. They managed them. Yes, and anyway, I just want to say thank you for all you do, also for the association. Masarap binubuan. Binubuan, we always have to cook binubuan for the fiesta, for the association. But that's for the association. But also, we appreciate you, Nanay, for taking care of all of us, including me. And for your family, but of course, bless you, we love you, more healthy years.
Thank you, Anina and Jovi Lumibao. So for those who would like to say a few message to Nanay, here's the microphone. Let me know. I'll approach you. Okay, Ate. Ate Fedi, special message for Nanay.
Hello everyone. Since magmula nang nakilala ko si Tita Abilene, masaya ako. Nagkakaroon namin mga sila. Na ngayon, ay sa lahat ng natitikpan ko ang kanilang nilulog ko din ay masaya ako. At nalaman ko din ang nilulog ko din na bilo-bilo ay gusto din nila kaya masaya ako. At napapasaya din nila ako sa mga extra nilang tela sa kanilang pagkakahi ay marami akong nagano. At nasa'y naibibigay ko sa aking mga kamag-anak na pag ginagawa kong padyano at iba pa. Pati mga blouse ko ay nakakagawa ko. Kaya sa iba pa kayo kasi sinusuko. Kaya happy birthday Nanay. God bless you. I love you.
Thank you, Ate Fedi. Okay, I'm coming over. Are you want to come here? Miss Carmen? Feel free to approach our stage with Nanay.
My name is Carmen, and I still remember when the family used to come to my parents' house, and my father, he always liked to at this dinner go on, and it's his favorite. So whenever I went going to their home was always so welcoming, and they're so thoughtful and very giving. And I just want to wish everyone to have a wonderful day, and to wish the beautiful lady Anticipate Rivera. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Carmen, for the heartwarming message for Nanay. Truly, I attest, Nanay's dinuguan is the best. Before, I didn't like dinuguan, but when I tried her dinuguan, I was like, go. It's like there's dinuguan, go for it. Nanay, we have a special message for you from our loved ones overseas. So we're gonna move your chair here so you can see your video message. I think we need to. Nanay, this is Ayi and her husband. Greeting from the Middle East.
Naka-video na lang. Timer na yan. Naka-video na pala, nanay. O, kanta ka muna kay nanay, Didi ko. Happy birthday, Lola nanay. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Lola nanay.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola nanay.
Happy birthday na Lola nanay.
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 Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Nanay.
nanay. Come on.
Happy
We are
birthday.
blessed that you reach that age 85.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Hindi ko alam kung maris ko pa yan, nanay.
Yes.
Masaya ako at na 85 ka na. Ako 65 lang, dami ko nang nararamdaman. You are so blessed, nanay. Happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday. Sige, happy birthday,
Birthday,
nanay.
Happy
Nanay.
birthday, nanay.
We love you. Come on. Oh, galing ng aking ano. Happy birthday daw, nanay. Ito yung katabi mo sa tulog, oh, si Luna. Oh, nanay, I love you.
Hi! Hello everyone! To the best mother of 8 stunning children, Nanay Siling, happiest and blessed birthday to you. Wow! You're 85 now. Sana all. And thank you for all your unconditional love and endless support to all of us for being our guiding light. Thank you also for all your sacrifices and hardship in raising your 8 children. There's no words to say or describe how much we are thankful to you. We love you. Inaaraw mi kayo. And tuloy na bilay at kasil na laman lawas. So, dasal ko para si kayo. Sayang birthday you. Just be happy. Now that you're 85, all what you do is keep away yourself in stress to have happy life. I love you. Naaraw ko kayo. And enjoy your day. Enjoy everyone. Bye.
Alright, thanks everyone. I know we had technical difficulties there, but make sure before you leave the call, give me your email address so I can give you copies of these videos, okay? Because we're not able to listen. No, just kidding aside. So we're gonna have Nanay. Nanay, just go back here. We'll have her candles. We would like to ask everyone to, once again, let's all rise and we're gonna sing Nanay a happy birthday song. Let me just turn on the lights again. Alright, at the count of 3, we have Nanay blowing her candles, but before that, we're gonna sing her happy birthday song. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yeah, Nanay, make a wish! Okay, everyone, thank you once again. You may have your seat and we're gonna hear from Nanay. Message for Nanay. We practice this, Nanay, right? Ladies and gentlemen, here is Nanay, our beautiful birthday celebrant. And she has Codigo. That's okay. That's fine.
Beloved visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'm thanking God for my amazing years to get this far. And I'm praying that He may contain no more blessings to me in my remaining years to come. To be always healthy and strong. Thank you for all of being here today to celebrate my birthday. Your presence fill my heart with joy, and I feel truly blessed to have such wonderful families and friends around me. And special thanks for my loving families, daughter Venus, daughter-in-laws Veron and Glenda, who organized the celebration. Your efforts meant so much and appreciated for the bottom of my heart. So we celebrate today. Let's cherish this moment together. Life is beautiful because of the people we share it with, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for making this day special.
Thank you, Nanay. We love you. And so that's the end of our program. We still have more food. Help yourselves. Enjoy the music. Meet new friends. And we're gonna dance. We're now opening the dance floor.
is